child hadn't lied to his father, he wouldn't have been punished.
Yeah, I'm going to keep going. Don't give up. All right. Okay. So if the child didn't lie to his father, he wouldn't have been punished.
Yeah, alright. Okay, thank you. Okay, so here is it. Okay, what is it? Didn't? Is it? Okay, everybody, is it didn't here or is it hadn't here? Well, we talked about it happened a long time ago in the past, right? And then, so you remember teacher just write down to had something, right? So you should write down had here, right? What we right? And lie is verb. Right? Yes. Okay. Good job. All right. So you see if you win. Apple. Yes. Okay, practice makes perfect, so we still have some exercise to practice. Now, here, I would like your group to make a conversation by yourself. Okay. So now it's your turn to make your sentence. Later, I want you to share your answer. Okay. So now teacher is A, I'm pretending A, you're pretending B. Okay, let's see. If Frankenstein had not stolen the dead bodies, the creature wouldn't have been created. And it's your turn. B, okay, you're B. B. Okay, speak louder. Wouldn't have murdered so many people. Then the part A is about, I want you to make a conversation about the story. Okay, about the story, how you feel about the story. For example, like A and B, what they say. And you can also make other sentence like if what? If the monster had not murdered so many people, Frankenstein would not have chased him to the North Pole, something like that. Or if Frankenstein had not gone to the North Pole, he would what? He wouldn't have been dead, something like that. Okay? So one play A and one play B, and try to write something about the story. Okay. So the fast one, again, you can stand up and tell me, teacher, we'll finish our conversation, and then if you finish it, you can win the apple. Remember, we have 10 apples. You can get one ice cream. You need to work very hard. Okay, so now, okay, good work. Go. Okay, just need 1 minute to finish this dialogue. Come on, you're smart. Any group come up with some sentence? Any group want to try? If you try, I'll give you apple too. Lawrence, do you want to try? Any group come up with some interesting answers? Mary Sherry, I heard someone say Mary Sherry. Yes, you can also make sentence about Mary Shelley. Okay, time's up. Any group want to share your sentence? This time I'll give you 2 apples because this question is too difficult, right? Right. Any group want to try? You can look at me, I know you will try. Okay, Evie and Vicky. Okay, just share your answer.
It has to be something about Mary Shelley.
About this story.
If Mary Shelley hadn't written this story,
Yes?
the whole world wouldn't have known Frankenstein.
Oh, yes! This is a good sentence, right? Okay, good job. And Vicky, you want to continue? Oh, okay. Okay, it's a conversation, I know it's a little bit. Okay. Then this is about the sentence, a conversation about your story, your book, lesson. And I want to make it easier. I think it looks more friendly, right? Okay. This time you play A, I play B. Okay. Okay, ready? If I go.
If I had not gone to university, I would have stayed on my uncle's farm.
Understand? Alright, and I was that if you had stayed on your uncle's farm, you would have been bored. Okay. So now you can try to make a sentence related to your life. Okay, like I can make a sentence like, okay. When I was in the junior high school, I like to play basketball. Alright, and I would say, if I had practiced my basketball very hard, I would have joined the basketball team, something like that. Right. So now one play A and then the other play B. Okay. Try to make sentences about something that happened in the past. You will really feel sorry and regretful not doing it. Okay. This is about each sentence. Okay. You just simply change some word. Okay. Alright, if you want to share your sentence, just look at me and know you want to share something speaking sentence. Oh, I will call your name. Anyone want to try? Anyone want to win the apples for the ice cream? No, you don't want to. Okay. You know, I have already eaten a lot of ice cream. Do you want to try? To make a sentence about you or your friends. Oh, Vicky wants to try. Okay, good.
If I had learned how to paint, I would have had $1 million.
Oh, dollars. You mean pen? Pen. Oh, alright, good. $2 apples. Okay. Yes. Okay. Jean. Okay, Silva. You want to try?
If I had not entered the foreign language and literature department, I would not have known my enemy Jim. My enemy Jim.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Such a pity.
See, the sentence is easy. Anyone want to try? Okay, Lawrence. Come on, you can do it. Or you can say, if I had not entered this classroom, I would not have been staying here.
If I had not, if I had not entered the classroom, I would not have been staying here.
If I had not, if I had not entered the classroom, I would not have been staying here.
If I had not entered the classroom, I would not have been staying here.
You stayed up last night. You didn't get enough sleep last night, right?
If I had enough sleep last night, I wouldn't be distracted in this class.
Oh, okay. We wouldn't have been distracted. Right. Good. Good job. All right. Okay. All right. So I want you to take out your book now. Circle those two sentences using this if, okay, third condition sentence in your lesson. Okay, let's give you 10 seconds to finish. Okay, 10 is on paragraph 1 and paragraph 3. 10, 9, 8. Okay, do you know what I'm talking about? Try to find the word, the sentence using the if conditional sentence in your lesson. It's in paragraph 1 and paragraph 3. And you find it, you just read aloud the sentence. Yeah, her self is reading, okay.
If Mary Shelley had not written this novel, any popular sci-fi characters might not have been created.
Wonderful. This is in paragraph 1, right? I have 1 apple for you. Okay. How about paragraph 3? Anyone find the sentence?
If he had not created the monster, his brother would not have been killed.
Yes, wonderful. Okay, we just finished if conditional sentences. But we still have another one. Okay. Alright. So the sentence number 1. Okay, can I ask Jean to read? Okay.
Because Amy was excited about the dancing show, she spent a lot of time practicing it.
Right. So, what was Amy excited about?
The dancing show,
So, what did she do?
she spent a lot of time to practice
Right. Why? Because
because she was
she was
excited.
excited about it. Okay. You want to have good performance in that show, right? Okay. So this sentence talking about cause and effect. Okay. You need to do something, and then something will lead to some results. Okay. And then we need to change it a little bit. So can we send someone? Okay, Lawrence, can you read a blue sentence?
Excited about the dancing show and we spent lots of time practicing it.
Right, the second sentence and the first sentence are the same, but what's the difference here? What do you see? Some word is missing. All right, can I ask someone to tell me? Judy. Because and was. Right. Because and was missing. And what else? Yeah, Amy, right? Amy is missing in the first sentence, and then so let's read the sentence together. Excited about the dancing show. Amy spent lots of time practicing it. Okay. So when you see this sentence have the same subject, we call it subject, who does the same actions, okay, then you can delete it, okay. And then if it is a verb PP, and then you keep it. And you can delete because and delete the subject because you will mention it in the next sentence. Okay. How about the second sentence? Let's read. Since I forget, go. Since I forget to bring a pen to the exam, I have to borrow it. Oh, it's too terrible if you don't have a pen when you take the exam, right? So what do you need to do? You need to borrow it from others. Okay. So compare the sentence and this sentence. What's the difference? Wendy? What is missing? Again, here, sings is missing, right? And then in the first sentence, I is missing. And then what changed? Forget, become, forgetting. So remember to tell you, it is the more like a verb, PP, you keep it. But it's a verb without ed, ing, okay, and you need to change it into ing, forgetting to repent, okay. So, when you see sentence like this, talking about cause and effect, then you can simply change it into this sentence into this one, because we are what? We are smart, we are lazy. Sometimes we don't want to write so many words, right? Okay, let's make the second sentence still have the same meaning of the first sentence. Okay, let's do some practice and you will realize what I'm talking about. Okay, so pay attention to the changes, okay? Questions? How many changes do you need to make?
2.
2, right? Okay. You need to delete the word, right? And change the action verb. Actually, there are 3 things you need to change, and then you need to change the name, right? Okay, delete it. So on your book, it's page 177. Okay, please open it. It's a sentence 1 and sentence 3. Okay, now really carefully and read the words that the teacher remind you. Some word you need to change into a different form. Okay, you can discuss with your classmates. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes to do it. Right. So you will delete some word and you will add some word. Oh, you will not add some word. You will erase some word, delete some word, and change the word. Alright? So again, I want you to come out to write down your answer. Just remember your number. Okay, who is number 1? Raise your hand. 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. 4. Or any you want to be 4? You 4? You are in the same track. Okay. Right? Okay. So let's read sentence together. Ready? Go. Let's read it in 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Entered her house, she heard some strange noises that came from the kitchen. Okay, right. So we're ready. Now, do you know the answer? Okay, let's try to write it down. Number 2.
Hurry up, I want ice cream.
And don't forget to read your sentence to finish it.
Entering her house, Julia heard some strange noises that came from the kitchen.
Yes, okay, Isabel.
Entering the house, Julia heard some strange noises that came from the kitchen.
Yeah, alright, good. Okay, so you just delete the what? The subject here, right? What's missing? Subject's missing, and then change verb into ing. Okay, and then right. Perfect. Okay. in your life. And then next time, if we have some time, we'll do some writing, all right? Okay. That's all about today's class.
Any feedback, comment?